Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'm going to show you a neat trick on how to watch pay-per-view events on your FireStick for free. Whether it's a big fight night or an exclusive event, you can catch it all without breaking the bank. Stick around because I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Launching Downloader app. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to install the Downloader app on your FireStick. It's a handy tool that lets you download files from the internet directly to your device. Step 2. Entering the URL for Filelinked. Now, we're going to enter a specific URL to download Filelinked. This app will give us access to a wide range of apps and files that aren't available on the Amazon store. Type in the URL where you can find Filelinked. Once the download is complete, install Filelinked on your FireStick. Step 3. Installing Filelinked and finding the PPV app. Once Filelinked is installed, open it up. You'll find a bunch of codes that lead to different app stores and repositories. We're looking for the one that hosts the app for watching pay-per-view events. Enter the specific code for the repository with the PPV app. Locate the app, download, and install it on your FireStick. Step 4. Accessing and watching PPV events. Now that the PPV app is installed, open it up. You'll find a variety of upcoming and live events. Select the one you're interested in and enjoy the show. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you can watch pay-per-view events on your FireStick for free. Remember, the availability of free PPV events can vary, so keep an eye out for updates and new apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your FireStick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.